air, water, fire, earth, and space. These are the elements you'll find in Gros Morne National Park in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. In this UNESCO World Heritage Site, monumental earth-building forces are on full display here. It's the kind of place where everywhere you go, those elements bring about wonder of how this all came to be. The best way to see it is to go out and explore it on land. By water. Get down low and see the delicate ecosystem of plant life. Appreciate the wildlife. Journey in time to connect with the indigenous ancestors of the land. And also the resilient, resourceful, and charmingly friendly enclave communities that call this their home. But perhaps the most important element of all are the connections you make with the people that you meet along the way to share us their favorite views, tell us their stories, invite us to try their local food, and their spirit through their music. Gros Morne National Park is an elemental wonder.